Mama? Mama!
You look remarkably lost.
I'm not lost. I'm just unsure where home is.
That is an excellent definition of lost.
Run! The moon bridge is disappearing!
And unless someone packed a flying carpet, we'd better hurry.
I created this full video using a simple idea and Seedance 2.5. Yes, Seedance 2.5 is now live on MagicLight AI. Now, using the most powerful video generator, you can turn your idea into a cinematic masterpiece. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Plus, stick around to the end because I'm giving away 4 premium memberships to this tool completely free. Let's get into it. So the tool we're using today is called MagicLight AI. It's an AI video generation platform, but it's different from most AI video tools out there. Most tools give you a 5-second clip and call it a day. MagicLight can generate complete videos. We're talking up to 60 minutes long, with characters that actually stay consistent from the first scene to the last. It's got over 50 visual styles, more than 10,000 character assets, and over 20 million registered users worldwide. So this isn't some tiny experimental app. Creators everywhere are using this thing. But here's why I'm making this video now. MagicLight just integrated Seedance 2.5, one of the most powerful AI video models available right now. And here's the part that gets me excited as a creator. Think about the highest earning niches on YouTube right now. Kids 3D animation channels, deer channels, animal story videos, Bible story channels. These faceless channels are pulling in serious ad revenue, and most of them are long-form content, which is exactly what MagicLight is built for. Let's jump into my screen. Alright, so first things first, head over to magiclight.ai. I'll drop my link in the description, and signing up is completely free. No credit card needed. You even get free credits when you register, so you can follow along with this entire tutorial without spending a dime. Once you're in, this is the dashboard. Pretty clean, pretty simple. The feature we're using first is called Story to Video. You type in your story idea, and this can be as simple or as detailed as you want. For this demo, I'm going to type, a brave little fox named Finn who gets lost in a magical forest and has to find his way home, learning about courage and friendship along the way. That's it. That's the whole prompt. Now we have to set some settings. First, we have the skill. These are the workflow templates that help to create specific types of videos. You can create story video, kids story, short drama, explainer video, and more. I am selecting story to video. Next, set the LLM model to write the script. You will find all the popular models. Select which one you want to use. After that, we have to select the visual style. You will find a bunch of styles here. You can preview them and then select which one you want to use. You can even create your own style. Just upload some images of your style and then add a description. That's simple. Okay, once the style is selected, go to the settings and set the aspect ratio and the language of your video. Okay, now set the duration. You can create a video up to 60 minutes using MagicLight. After selecting the duration, select the script writing skill. These are responsible for how your script will be. There are a bunch of options. If you are not sure which one to select, just select Smart Polish. This works with all types of story scripts. Once everything is set, hit the next button. Now watch what happens. Our selected LLM model is writing the script for us. And here it is. The script outline is ready. Now we have to preview the full script because a good script is the base of a good video. GPT 5.6. Create a total of 5 scenes, and every scene has 6 shots. So it has a total of 30 shots, and the duration will be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That's perfect for my testing purposes. Now you can preview every shot and customize the shot if needed. Every shot here is customizable. You can select any shot and customize it. If you think the full story needs to change, you can go back and regenerate the story. I think this is perfect for me. So, I will move forward. So, click on the next button from here. On the next step, MagicLight AI will create the characters. You can see that it's creating 6 characters for us. It picks 2 characters using the Smart Pick formula and is creating 4 more characters for us. And here it is. All the characters are ready. Now if you find an issue with any character, you can change or customize the character. For example, I think the Bramble character doesn't fit our story, so I will edit this character. Once you click on the Edit button, you will find a vast number of characters here. These are pre-built characters by MagicLight and other creators. You can use any of them. However, I will create a new character. Once you click on Create New, the AI automatically fills the character name and description for you. You can add a custom prompt and add a face reference image. Once you are set, click on the Generate button. Now, MagicLight AI will assign an image generator to create the character image. And here it is. The character image is ready. Now, if you think this is not perfect for you, you can edit the character. Once set, click on the Apply button. Now, you can add a voice actor for this character. You will find a vast library here. You can choose any of them or clone your own voice. Take your time to find the best voice for the character. Once done, save the character. Now, following this method, preview and customize all the characters if needed. Don't forget to check and select the best voice for the character. Once you are done, click on Next. Okay, on the next step, MagicLight AI will create the storyboard. Basically, it will create the first frame for all the shots using the characters as the reference. And here it is. All the scene images are ready. It creates a total of 30 images as per the plan, and you can see the result. These are just amazing. All the scenes look really magical. The characters are consistent, and the visuals are eye-catching. I love all the shot images. However, if you think any image needs to be customized, you can do it. Here in the preview panel, you will find the editor. It's powered by Nano Banana 2. You can change the outfit, remove any unwanted objects, change the expression and the figure. You can even edit with custom prompts. Take your time to preview all the images and customize if needed. Okay, all the shot images are ready. Now it's time to animate them, and here comes the Seedance 2.5. Let's see the process. I will start with shot 1. After selecting the shot, click on Animate button from here. The Animate pop-up will appear. Now first of all, we have to select the video generator model. You will find a bunch of options here including Happy Horse, Seedance, Wan, Hailu, and more. I will select the latest Seedance 2.5. After selecting the model, come to the prompt box. MagicLight AI automatically added the prompts. You can customize it. After that, you will find the options to add camera work and change the duration. As per the script, the scene should be 5 seconds, so I will select 5. Now hit the Animate button. The Seedance 2.5 model will start generating the video. The video is generating. And here it is. The video is ready. It's a smooth and short video clip. Looks amazing. However, if you think there is any issue, you can regenerate the video. Okay, our first shot is ready. Now, let's animate the second shot. The process is the same. Select the image, click on Animate, select the video generator model. Set the prompt and settings, and then generate the video. The video is generating. And here it is, the video is ready. This is amazing. Now we have to do all other shots. However, if we animate all the scenes one by one, it will take a huge amount of time. So this time, I will use Animate All method to animate all the shots with a single click. Once you are here, you have to select the video generator model and all the shots you want to animate. I will select the Seedance 2.5 model. Once done, preview all the shots. You can see the prompts also. Once you are set, hit the Animate All button, and you can see that all the video clips are generating in parallel. Alright, all the video clips are ready. Now preview all of them, and if needed, customize the video clips. Alright, all of our video clips are ready. Now, it's time to assemble them and make the final video. So, click on the Next button. On the next page, first select the subtitle options. After that, you can select a BGM track from here. Once everything is set, click on the Next button. We have to select the aspect ratio and video resolution. Now MagicLight AI will generate the final video for us. And here it is. The video is ready. Now you can publish the video on MagicLight or YouTube directly here. Okay, let's see the final video.
The golden sun dips low over the woodland, painting the leaves in shades of amber. Finn.
A small red fox trots through the tall grass. His eyes are locked on a shimmering blue butterfly.
He leaps over a mossy log, blissfully ignoring his mother's distant, worried call. The butterfly darts through a curtain of glowing vines. Finn lunges forward, crashing through the foliage.
Suddenly, the vines snap shut, sealing the path. The earth shifts to iridescent mushrooms pulsing with violet light.
This is really amazing. So just now we created this amazing storytelling video just from an idea. A complete animated story with consistent characters, professional voiceover, music, and the total hands-on time for me? Maybe 15 minutes. Most of that was just waiting for generation and picking styles. Now think about what this actually means. Fun toy. This isn't just a fun toy, this is a repeatable production workflow. You can create AI content at a pace that was impossible before. You can build a library of digital assets, your characters, your styles, your templates, and reuse them across every video. And you can explore real income opportunities, faceless YouTube channels in high CPM niches, kids content, story channels, all producible by one person. You. One person, one prompt, a full production studio. That's genuinely wild! Okay, now before you go, this part is important, because the timing of this video is not an accident. Right now, MagicLight is running a special promotion on Seedance 2.5 credits, and you can see the countdown right here on the membership page, plus the banner inside the app. Here's the deal. If you're a Pro, Ultra, or Ultimate member, monthly or annual, you get discounted Seedance 2.5 credits in story to video. So the exact workflow I just showed you gets significantly cheaper. And the Ultimate tier is where it gets crazy. Max members use only half the credits. A 5-second 720p Seedance 2.5 generation normally costs 4,800 credits. Max members pay just 2,400. That's literally double the content for the same credits. But, and this is the catch, this offer is only available if you purchase a membership within the first week after this video goes live. After that, it's gone. So if you've been thinking about trying this out, this week is the time. To grab the offer, use my link. And finally, the giveaway! I'm giving away 4 memberships to you guys, 2 Ultimate monthly memberships, and 2 Pro monthly memberships, completely free. Entering is super simple. 1, like this video. 2, drop a comment below telling me what kind of video you would create with MagicLight. I'll pick the 4 winners from the comments and announce them, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on so you don't miss it. So that's it. I used MagicLight to create everything you saw today. And honestly, if you want to make long, high-quality AI videos with characters and scenes that actually stay consistent, try MagicLight through my link below. It's free to start. If this tutorial helped you, a like genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.